Why is it called the mysteries of the Rosary? Alam natin kapag sinabing mystery o misteryo, ibig sabihin secret o mahirap may paliwanag. But in the more ancient Christian sense, the word mystery speaks to something that is seen, but much more of which lies hidden. A classic definition says that mystery is that which opens an event and gives it depth. Meaning to say, the mysteries of the Rosary do not refer merely to events in time that are known to us, but also to the depths of their meaning and the vertical dimension of what is God doing in and through those events. Kung paano kumilos at kumikilos ang Diyos sa mga pangyayari. Sabi nga ni Pope Pius XII, the Rosary is the compendium of the entire Gospel. Maganda yung term na ginamit ng isang theologian. It is the snapshot in the life of Jesus and Mary. At dahil dito, mas madali natin naunawaan at napagninilayan ang buhay, ministeryo at misteryo paskwal ng ating Panginoong Hesus at ang buhay ng ating mahal na ina. Halimbawa sa panahon natin ngayon, para itong teleserye. Yung mga misteryo ay yung mga episodes. Yung Annunciation, Visitation, yung Crucifixion, yung Assumption and Coronation of the Blessed Virgin Mary. At yung misteryo ng tuwa, liwanag, pighati at kaluwalhatian, ito naman yung mga season. So para mas maintindihan at maunawaan natin ang takbo ng kwento, kailangan natin itong subaybayan sa pagdarasal ng rosaryo. At mas lalo nating nauunawaan kung paano patuloy kumikilos ang Diyos sa atin, lalo na sa ating panahon. Sabi nga ni Archbishop Fulton Sheen, the Rosary is the book of the blind, where souls see and there enact the greatest drama of love the world has ever known. It is the book of the simple, which initiates them into the mysteries and knowledge more satisfying than the education of other men. It is the book of the aged, whose eyes close upon the shadow of this world and open on the substance of the next. The power of the Rosary is beyond description. If you have any other questions, you may send them anonymously by clicking the link on this post. Thank you.